After that, you're gonna go to sleep, or you're still working? Because after I eat my food, I'm gonna watch TV until 9 p.m. and then I'm straight to bed. When my daddy comes, I already fell asleep.
Well, try to.
Because I wake up early. I cannot wake up early every day.
What time do you wake up?
6:30.
It's not bad if you go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Yes, but every time I wake up, I have to wake up at 6:49. 6:45. That's when I wake up. My daddy called me and I still snoring. How can I wake up like that?
That's just not good. That's just not good at all.
My school starts at 7 a.m. so I cannot wake up at 6:45.